Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Punjab and Haryana High Court for dictation, current judgment, session court, 500 words, 80 word per minute. So be ready, start. On the other hand, the LD Defense Counsel argued that accused has been falsely implicated in the present case. A simple case of accident has been given the shape of dowry, death and murder when in fact no cogent evidence is adduced by the prosecution in this regard. There is no evidence of eyewitness to support the theory of the prosecution regarding the alleged murder committed by accused Sonu of deceased Anekha. No motive has been attributed to accused Sonu to commit alleged offense. Even it is not alleged or proved as to what dowry articles were demanded by the accused and what cruelty was inflicted upon deceased Anekha by accused on her failure to meet the alleged demand. The allegations regarding demand of dowry are vague in nature and not admissible. From the evidence of DW1 to DW5, it is proved on the case file that death of deceased Anekha was the result of accident and not the stab injuries given by accused Sonu. He also argued that in cross-examination of DW1 to DW5, the prosecution has failed to give any suggestion regarding alleged murder committed by accused Sonu. The witness examined are hearsay witnesses and their testimonies are not admissible in evidence to convict the accused for commission of offense punishable 302 or 304 BIPC. Stop. He thus prayed for acquittal of the accused. Anekha was solemnized with accused Sonu on 28/6/2017 as per Hindu rites and ceremonies, and deceased Anekha dead on 7/8/2017. The said facts are evident from wedding card XP20 from the deposition of PW1 Mahavir, PW2 Poonam, DW1 Rammer, DW2 Rohtas, and from PMR XP5. Stop. It is also not disputed that on the fateful day 7/8/2017 when deceased Anekha died, that she was with accused Sonu. The said fact is evident from concurrent reading of evidence of PW1 Mahavir, PW2 Poonam, and also from the evidence of DW1 Rammer, DW2 Rohtas, DW3 Krishan, DW4 Vijay, DW5 Shishpal, and DW6 Somwir. In their respective evidence, all the aforesaid witnesses have categorically deposed regarding accompany of deceased Anekha with accused Sonu or motorcycle from the house of complainant Mahavir on 7/8/2017 at around 6:15 p.m. The questions left to be adjudicated in the present case are whether the death of Anekha was caused because of alleged accident that took place on 7/8/2017 at around 8 p.m. between two canals near village Hartadi, or whether the said death was homicidal. If the death of deceased Anekha is proved to be homicidal, whether murder was committed by accused Sonu. From the evidence adduced on the case file and from the attending circumstances, it can be safely inferred that death of the deceased Anekha was homicidal and not the result of any accident. From the per usual of the PMR XP5 proved in the testimony of PW4 Dr. Mona Nagpal, it is evident that deceased Anekha sustained following injuries on her body. Full stop. स्टूडेंट ये 500 से थोड़े से 530 के अराउंड ये वर्ड है, आप इसको टाइप कीजिए। टाइप करने के बाद आप इसको मैच कीजिए। ये आपका जो आर्टिकल है पंजाब एंड हरियाणा कोड को तो लेकर है ही है, लेकिन जो आपके अदर कोड हैं जैसे आपका दिल्ली में डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोड है, सभी कोर्टों के लिए कहीं पे भी हो आपका कोर्ट का एग्ज़ाम, सभी कोर्ट के लिए आपका मैटर है। इसको टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।